Is ChatGPT available for Windows? ChatGPT is available for Windows. You can access it in multiple ways, hashtag 1. ChatGPT Desktop App, by OpenAI. OpenAI has released a desktop app for ChatGPT. You can download it directly from OpenAI's official website, https://openai.com/chatgpt, or other trusted platforms. It provides a native experience, faster access, and notifications for ongoing conversations. Hashtag 2. Web version. You can use ChatGPT in your browser by visiting chat.openai.com, https://chat.openai.com. Hashtag 3. Third-party integrations, Microsoft products. ChatGPT is integrated into Microsoft Word, Excel, and other Office products via Copilot. Edge browser, access it directly via the sidebar in Microsoft Edge. Pro tips for using ChatGPT on Windows 1. Use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+Enter, send a message. Shift+Enter, add a new line for more structured inputs. 2. Save your conversations, use the save feature in the desktop app or copy important chats into a document for future reference. 3. Customize responses, be specific with your prompts. Example, instead of "tell me about AI," try "explain AI's role in healthcare in simple terms." 4. Experiment with creative uses, coding assistance, ask for help with debugging or writing scripts. Content creation, generate blog posts, essays, or brainstorming ideas. Productivity tools, create to-do lists, summarize documents, or draft emails. 5. Integrate with workflow tools, use alongside apps like Notion, Trello, or Obsidian by copying content or even writing scripts to automate tasks. 6. Stay updated, keep the app updated to access the latest features and improvements.